Welcome to this year's SAP S/4HANA 2020 release highlights. My name is Sven Denecken, and I am the COO of SAP S/4HANA and Head of Product Success. In the next couple of minutes, I'd like to give you an overview of what we are going to deliver in this year's SAP S/4HANA on-premise release. And let me tell you this, it's all about innovation, automation, and intelligence. Let's do a small recap on how we bring intelligence to our digital core. For this, we have some key ingredients, and let me just mention the top three. Number one, a digital age user experience. Second, modern artificial intelligence capabilities, for example, with SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation and machine learning, for example. And third, the next generation of business processes, inherently part of SAP S/4HANA, which allows us to provide you a streamlined architecture and technology that did not exist before, all this to address the needs of your digital transformation. With SAP S/4HANA 2020, we have further expanded our capabilities, enabling customers to benefit from the latest innovations. Let me now share with you some of the personal highlights, and of course, there's so much more you should definitely have a look at later. Let's start with manufacturing, where we have enhanced predictive material requirements planning. And now, with this, we are happy to introduce a guidance for the end user to identify the biggest issues and system support to find possible solutions, guiding by data to better outcome. In sales, we now offer an intelligent product and quantity proposal in the sales order. This feature is based on the dynamic product proposal framework, which enables you to receive product and quantity proposals as an input, help to enable faster selection of the products during the sales order entry itself. In addition, the intelligent product proposal allows you to predict whether the quantity of products ordered will increase or decrease. This is predictive and real-time driven by data. In the area of extended warehouse management, for example, we improve warehouse visibility for enhanced analytical capabilities for faster insights to adjust priorities and resolve possible bottlenecks. With the just-in-time supply to production integration to extended warehouse management, we're able to reduce stock figures by supplying production just in time. Talking about the next generation of business processes in logistics, for example, we have the first release of the productive use for the service parts planning in SAP S/4HANA. This next generation extended service parts planning solution is moving into the S/4HANA system. The goal here, save effort with a single logical system and maintain all master data objects in one system and perform all planning steps in the same system. Moreover, we have quite something in store for the line of business sourcing and procurement. To provide more and more intelligence with SAP S/4HANA, we've increased real-time visibility of automation rates in procurement documents like purchase order and supplier invoice. We now have cool dashboards for central procurement analytics in the SAP Analytics Cloud solution. This in addition to the already existing analytics functionality directly embedded in SAP S/4HANA. As you can see, a lot we have to offer. Very much based on feedback of thousands of clients running their critical businesses on SAP S/4HANA at its best. Last but not least, I'd like to allude on innovations coming with our SAP Activate methodology, where we have released Fit to Standard for SAP S/4HANA. This covers all aspects of Fit to Standard in the deliverables, tasks, and related accelerators, which help to guide users and speed up the projects. Additionally, we've created a new accelerator to make it easier for you to follow the fit-to-standard approach in your implementation project, and this even remotely. Did I spark your interest for more? I hope so. Please engage in the SAP S/4HANA customer community, where you can share your experiences, engage with experts, and get support for your projects. To get further insights into our SAP S/4HANA 2020 release, watch the deep dive of release highlights provided by my distinct colleagues. Thank you for listening in today, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did it myself. See you, not latest, on the next release.